guys, Brad from simpleguitar.com. Now, if you've been watching this channel for any amount of time, you probably know that I'm a big fan of Green Day. They're one of the reasons why I picked up the guitar. And yesterday they released a new single called The American Dream Is Killing Me. And they've got a new album coming out. Anyway, last weekend I saw Green Day play live at When We Were Young in Vegas. And so today I'm going to show you how to play it, okay? Now, first things first, if you want the tab for this, I've already created it for you. It's at my website. Go to simpleguitar.com/theamericandream and you can download this tab for free. And you can also get another gift there called the Top 10 Things to Learn on Guitar First. So let's dive right in. Now, to play this song, you need to know power chords, okay? You need to be really comfortable playing power chords and strumming, okay? We're gonna be talking about different rhythms and stuff like that. But also, your guitar needs to be tuned down a half step, okay? This song has an open string ringing out in the riff for the intro. So you get... And so you've got to have that tuned down so that if you're trying to play it in standard tuning, I mean, you can play all the chords right, but you can't play that. Now, even though we're going to be tuned down, I'm still going to refer to things as their normal position. So your third fret on your sixth string, I still talk about as G. Your third fret on your fifth string, I still call it C, okay? So just think about your regular general positions, okay? Now, there are 6 sections to the song. There's the intro, the verse, the pre-chorus, the chorus, the bridge, and the guitar solo. So we've got a lot of things to do, so we're just gonna dive right in, and let's start with the intro. Now, the intro, the main guitar part that we're gonna do is the one that you hear first. There is a second guitar just playing power chords. But we're not worried about that right now. It's just a G chord if you want to do it, okay? But what we're going to do is we're going to start up here with your open third string and your second string on the 8th fret. Okay, and we're going to play triplets. Now, if you're not familiar with triplets are when we squeeze 3 notes into the space of 2 notes, and they're still evenly spread. So we're going to get this cool sounding thing where we go triplet, 3, 4. So we're playing a triplet on beat 1, so that's the first triplet, and then a triplet on beat 2, that's your second triplet, and then quarter notes on 3 and 4. So we're gonna get triplet, 3, 4. And for beat 4, we slide down to your 3rd fret on your 2nd string. Now then we're gonna play that 3 one more time on the and a 4, and then we slide up into 5, and on 5 we play a triplet on beat 1. That was 4. And then on beat 2 as well, but the last note of the triplet, the 3rd note of the triplet, we're going to slide back down to 3, and then we play 3, 4, open. So we're going to get triplet, 3, 4. So a little faster. So the whole intro, little riff thing goes like this. Now, that gets repeated 4 times every time that the intro gets played. It gets played twice, so you're going to play that 4 times in a row. Then we go into the chorus. Now, the chorus actually starts on the end of beat 4. So that means we're going to start with an upstroke on beat 4 right there, okay? And so with that upstroke, we're going to hold that over through beat 1, and then we'll do another upstroke on the end of 1, a downstroke on 2, another upstroke on the and of 2, and then we're going to change to a C chord, which is 3 and 5 on my 5th string and my 4th and 3rd string for beat 3, back to G for 4, back to C for beat 1 of the next measure, back to G for 2, and then we have some muted strumming. We're going to play 3 and 4, and then we hit our upstroke for and to repeat that chorus. So that all together is going to go like this. We're going to go up, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. Right? If we count that, we go and 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2. But when you play it fast, we get this. Okay, so again, that gets repeated 4 times, and then we're going to go into the verse. Okay, so the whole chorus is going to sound like this. Then we go into the verse, and the verse is still just G and C, okay? We're still staying right there on 3 and 5, okay? What we're gonna do though is we are swinging our rhythm. I don't know if you noticed this, but our eighth notes are swung. Rather than going straight 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, we're delaying the and. So we're going 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, okay? So during the verse, what we're gonna do is we're gonna play a G chord on 3 and 5, okay? I don't know where the ding is coming from. I don't know, guys, okay? But that is, we're gonna palm mute that and go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up for 2 measures. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then for the third measure, we're gonna play C and G going 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's C, G, C, G. And then the fourth measure, we do the same thing. We just palm mute your G chord and we play that. Okay, so the whole verse part is just those 4 measures, and then it repeats a second time. So we're going to get this. We're going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it repeats. Okay, now after that we go into the pre-chorus, which the pre-chorus is your D chord. So based on your 5th string, 5 and 7, and then we're going to go to G. So we're going to play D for a measure. We're going to go down, 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 up, down, up. And we go to G and we play down, 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 down. And then back to D. And back to G. And then we go to C and we play down, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then D. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And we go back into the chorus, okay? Now, after this second chorus that we play, what we're going to do is we're actually going to go into the bridge, okay? Now, that's interesting because they start with a chorus, so this kind of feels like the first chorus after the verse, right? But they go into a bridge because I think everybody has short attention spans from TikTok and crap, and so they change it up by going into a whole new section of the song. Now, for this sounds a lot like the chord progression from Basket Case, which is the Pachelbel chord progression. And so what we're doing is we're just playing whole notes. I just put whole note power chords in the tab for you, okay? So we're gonna start the bridge with a G power chord. Then we go to D on your 5th string, 5 and 7. Then we go up to E 2 frets higher. Stay on the same frets and change strings back down for B. Then we go up 1 fret for C. Then we go up to 10 and 12 on your 5th string for G. And then we do D on the same frets, but on your 6th string. And then the last measure, they alternate. G, D, D, right there, okay? So the whole bridge is gonna go like this. We're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we go back to the verse. And then the verse, pre-chorus, chorus, the exact same thing. But after the 3rd chorus here, we're gonna go back and do the intro where we start with this. We do that 4 times, just like we did before. And then it immediately goes into the guitar solo. Now, here's the thing. If you don't want to play the solo, the chords are the same as the bridge. It's the same chords as the bridge. So you just play those, okay? But the solo that I'm going to show you, I'm playing this just as octaves. But I'm pretty sure there's 2 or 3 different things going on at once. And this is just going to make it easy for you to play. You can also just play the lowest note rather than playing it as octaves, and it will sound good too. But the solo goes like this. We're going to play your 3rd fret with an octave, so 2 frets higher. So it's like a power chord, but your 3rd finger is on the, there's a string in between them, and we mute the string in between. So we're on 3 on your 6th string, and 5 on your 4th string, and you got to mute your 5th string. Okay, so I'm just going to refer to whatever fret my 1st finger is playing. And I'm playing 3, 5, 7, 8, 10. No, yeah, 8. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. And then in the next measure, we're gonna change strings. So now my 1st finger's on my 5th string. I'm gonna play 7, 9 on my 3rd string, And I'm going to play 7, 9, 10, 9, 7, and then 7 on my 6th string. And then we're going to go back to that. We're going to go on your 5th string, 7, 9, 10, 10, 9, 7, and then 10 on your 6th string. And then 8, 7, and then we go back up to 10. And then for the very end, we're just going to come up here on your 5th string and play 12 and slide up to 14. 12, 10, 12. Now, it sounds to me like the higher guitar part in the recording is actually bending that. But if you're just playing these octaves, it's going to sound cool. You can do whatever you want with it. So the whole solo together is going to sound like this. Except for that little mess up at the end. I always screw that. That's how it should go, right? But that's the solo. Now, after that solo, we go back to the verse. And then we do the pre-chorus, and then we do the chorus, and it ends on a G chord. So when we're switching on 3, 4, 1, 2, it ends on beat 2 on that G chord, and you just slide out of it. So let's go ahead, and I'm going to play it with the recording so that you can see what the entire song is going to go like, you know, when you're actually playing it, since, you know, you don't get to sit and watch Billy Joe play this all the time. And so let's do that, and then we'll go from there. So there you go, guys. That's how you play The American Dream Is Killing Me by Green Day. Great song. Lots of fun. Remember, you can get the tab for this if you go to simpleguitar.com/theamericandream. And there is also another gift for you there if you haven't already gotten it, called the Top 10 Things to Learn on Guitar First. It's 10 things that I think give you a lot of bang for your buck when you're learning how to play. So go get both of those at my website. Have fun playing this song. Remember, you can go back, you can rewind, you can slow things down, but I hope this was helpful for you. If it was, let me know down in the comments below, and I will catch you in the next video.